Cameron R. Gervin, Virginia Beach Police Department. End of watch, February 22, 2025.
David J. Nieves, Virginia Beach Police Department. End of watch, February 1st, 2022. Christopher Michael Lewis Reese, Virginia Beach Police Department. End of watch, February 22nd, 2025.